For today, we'll be working on some of the grammatical and mechanical skills that you'll be tested on when you take your final next week. You have 4 skills in this table that we'll be focusing on. Work on each of those skills for either 10 minutes or until you reach a 100% SMART score, whichever happens first. If you're working and consistently getting answers wrong and having a hard time, feel free to watch the video tutorials that are linked in this table. Make sure to take notes here so that you can have a reference for yourself when you go back to the practice. When you're finished, take a screenshot of your SMART score and paste it here. Let me show you an example. If you're working on identifying and correcting errors with subject-verb agreement, you'll click on this link, which will take you to skill practice. For example, on this one, we're being asked to find the error with subject-verb agreement and select the incorrect verb and type it correctly. So let's read the example. Deep inside the dense vegetation of Campeche, Mexico, stands 2 ancient Maya cities which were rediscovered by Slovenian archaeologists in 2013. So in this one, the incorrect verb is stands. Because we have 2 ancient Maya cities, we want the word stand. We'll type it in, we'll click submit, and that gives us the correct answer. You'll see over here to the right, you have a place where your SMART score will be displayed. Once that SMART score is reached to either 100 or you've worked for 10 minutes, you'll take a screenshot of it, copy it, and paste it into your table, and then move on to the next skill. Anything you don't finish in class today becomes homework. And please check in with the teacher if you are having problems accessing anything or need help.